Special delivery. Whoa. It's a Amazon package. Cool. So I'm buying some toys in the way I go. Let's see what's inside. Let's see it. I got it to open! Yay! Oh, what does this say? Oh, there's all stuff. And let's see. Oh, look at that. It's P head, and it's B, and it's S. Oops. Now, let's see what's inside. I think there's more. Oh, I got it. Let's get it. It's TiVo. It's a TiVo plush. Wow. So I had to find it on eBay, so I had to find it on Amazon, not eBay. So I had to see a couple of these on eBay, but I found a couple of these on eBay, but I like this one better from Amazon. Let's see the next package. Here's the next package, but it's a little bit old. I think someone dropped it by the truck on Amazon, but somebody dropped the package and then make a scratch. You see, a scratch. Now let's just open it now. Okay, let's just open it. There it is. Yay. Oh, what's inside? Oh, look at that. It's a C. What is it? It's neck. Cool. Here's the next package. This is the next package. Let's see on the back. What did it says? Let's see what it says. Let's see. Let's see what it says. From your biggest fan from Thomas and Friends. Your favorite character from Thomas and Friends. Let's see. Let's open it. I think it should be Black James. Please don't be Black James. Please, it wasn't Black James. Please, it wasn't Black James. Please, it wasn't Black. Oh, it wasn't Black James. It has to be in couple. Let's see. Oh, it's Thomas. But it's from the Thomas and Friends All Engines Go font. Well, never mind. I like that way. So, thanks for watching. Bye.